So let me record this. I have. Can I know your name because I see name as iPhone? I think it has taken the name of your phone. Uh, okay.
Hi,
Hi, sir.
hi, sir.
Yeah,
Hi, sir. Hi, sir. This is Kapil Pilwan.
Kapilji. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Your name is reminding me of Kapil Show, the comedian. Yes, nice, nice. You're from which place, sir?
Actually, I'm from Delhi, but I'm residing in Pune right now.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. What's your full name? You said, sir, Kapil.
Kapil Kumar Pilwan.
How do you spell the last name? P-I-P-I-L.
Pilwan. 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 Yes, sir. Yes.
W-A-N, huh? P-I-L-W-A-N.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
nice.
yeah.
Right, sir. So I want to check, you're able to see this Excel sheet on your screen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, okay, I'll make it very simple. This data we get one day before, or rather once the market closes. So we collect the data from NSE. Okay, we get the bank Nifty data, we get the Nifty derivative data. All that will be put into the Excel sheet here. Okay, यहाँ पर data डालते हैं. And then
Okay.
I'll be putting this open data, the low, high low of the previous day, and then the particular strike price, or rather which strike price is good for that day to trade, or momentum is there, it will give me the data. Okay, this is based on chart, and of course also uh, the open interest data and the prices. Okay, so it based on different, it is called as there is something called as ATR, DTR, and all that calculations or formulas are put in the sheet, or data is put. Once the data is put, it gives me the output. So this is the output. So for example, will if you want, for example, what do you say, Monday ka date, Monday ka, if I want to know, now I'll take the high low close of Monday, 51,401, which I have put. Then high of Friday was 51,629, and then the low of that particular Friday was 50,609 and 5759. This is the chart. I think you're not seeing the chart, right? Okay. So I take this data here, right? यहाँ पर
Okay.
you will get the data. You get in NSC or you get in the chart. You can take anywhere. So then I put the input the data here. Once I input, it will tell me which strike price is good to trade in Bank Nifty. We do it for Sensex, we do it for Fin Nifty, we do it for mid cap, we also do it for BankX, we also do it for Nifty as well. But mostly it works. I mean, sorry, I wouldn't say it works. We will look at Bank Nifty because it is a monthly expiry. There will no much of a premium decay, delta, all that theta, issues will not be there. So we will take Bank Nifty. I have tested on mid cap. I have tested in Fin Nifty. I have tested in Sensex. I have tested in Nifty as well. Sensex and Nifty, because it is weekly expiry, I will trade only on uh, 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 what do you say, the non-expiry days. For example, Nifty, I will trade on Friday, Monday, and Tuesday itself only. Or rather, I will trade those. It works well. The other days, premium killing and all those challenges are there. Sensex also same. On the non-expiry days, we will non-expiry 2 days we will avoid. Okay. Now I'll come to Bank Nifty. This is the data I have put for, and it is given me this output already. So it says 51,500 call if it crosses 613. Okay. 1 minute. I will put this data. 1 minute. I will put this data in another sheet. So it will give me the proper. Okay. Date. What date we are looking at? Tomorrow is 23rd December. Okay. So Bank Nifty, I have put the data. ठीक है. So I have put the data here. It is given me the output. So it says 51,000 call is good If it crosses 619 and 50,700 put is good to trade or enter above 489. You can see this. Are you able to see the Excel sheet here? Sorry, I think you can see the Excel sheet now, correct? So this is the data. Monday ka data is ready. Uh, 23rd December. So what it has given me, it is giving me these two particular dates to trade. Sorry, particular strike prices for Monday. So likewise, I have done or done this for the entire December month. Okay, entire December month May I got the same outputs. This is the output. 2nd December, it told me if the price crosses above price crosses above 1,186, I have entry. Call side and put side, both of it, there was no entry on 2nd December at all. So we avoided that trade. Okay. 3rd December, it gave me entry on the call side. The put side, there was no entry. If you want, you can cross check this data. I already given. Likewise, I have now given for Monday. I will share that once you join the program or this once you subscribe for the next 10 or 15 days. So I'm giving it for 15 days as a trial with some nominal fee. I cannot give it free because people will just take it for granted. They'll say, okay sir, free काम नहीं किया, मैं miss हो गया. So this you cannot miss because there is only one trade, one side it will get activated. Either call will get activated or the put will get activated. Otherwise, there will be no entries at all for that day. Okay, you can check this data. You will not get either entry on a call and then put also. No. For example, you go to 19th of December. Okay, 19th December there was a gap down, correct? Do everybody remember 19th December क्या हुआ था? Gap down open हुआ था उस दिन. This is the gap down open, but still there was an entry and the entry was only on the put side. We are seeing a green candle here, of course, but the entry was only on the put side. I'll show you I'll copy the data here. This is the data. I have shared this data in the WhatsApp. I think all of you have got this data, right? Dr. Ashish Patel ji, you have got this data on the WhatsApp? Dr. Patel ji?
Yes, sir. Which data you are asking, sir?
I sent a WhatsApp, no? WhatsApp में आपको ये पूरा data भेजा है मैंने. The entire month
Sir,
का
just let
data.
me check.
You can check.
Okay,
check.
sir.
So
Let
the
me
entire
check, sir.
December ka whatever entries exit, I got this data. I have shared in WhatsApp. All of you can check. So now for I'm testing, I'm showing just showing for how it worked for 19 December. So he told me if 52,700 call, if it moves above 1,250, what is my entry? I say buy above, means if it price will cross above 1,250, only then I will enter. If it doesn't cross, I will not enter. No trade. We will just avoid. And 50 to 100 put, if it crosses 552, we will trade. So on that day, 19 this what is it? 19 December, right? Okay.
हाँ ठीक है. आराम से वही 5:30-6 बजे है ना. तुम भी रेस्ट करो, उनको भी बोल देना पार्टी को रेस्ट करें.
Bank Nifty 50 to 100 put December. So I have added here. So this is the call side. 19 December, the high made itself was 172. Right? You can see on the top, right? 19 December, the high. Can you all see? High made is 172. What is my entry? 1 minute. Where is it gone? Call side 1,250. Only then I will enter. Was there an entry on 19th December? It has not crossed 1,250. So I will not take the trade. Call side. Now put side high made is Okay, 19 December put side high made is 956. 552 was my entry. Which one? 52, 100 put. 552. So first target you will have around 150 points. Second target around 250. Like that we divide and trade. Okay. So first lot, if you're taking two lots, for example, first lot we will book at the first target. Second lot we will wait for the second target, but we will keep a stop loss at break even. You understood, right? All of you understood? So
Yes, sir.
I'm saying first lot, once I enter 552, my target, my stop loss is 358, right? My first target, I will be giving around 150 or to 180 around, 180 around, I'll give. So once it touches 550 to around 700, we will exit the first lot. And keep our stop loss to the second lot at break even, so that our capital is safe. See, we are not here in the market to prove we are always right. Market is supreme. We will follow the market. We will follow stop loss. Keep our capital safe. Now, if you see 19th December, there was an entry. What is 552 is my entry. High made is, how much is high made? 5200, 19th December, 1 minute. High made is 956. My entry was 552, correct? All of you able to understand, no? What is the, so that means I had an entry 552. I could have made, of course, my target is 800 or 820, which is about 250 points, 200 plus points. But high made is 956. It is okay. We don't have to. So we would have, of course, made a bigger target also. But first lot, I recommend to book at around 180 points. Second lot, we can wait for a bigger target. So we could have booked at 956. There are days it may only do 250 points or 200 points. Okay. This is a highly volatile. That particular 2-3 days, I think market was volatile. So we gained a good profit. So this is how the trading is done. This is how the analysis is done. It is totally data oriented and price action oriented. And there is no, you don't need to look at charts. You don't need to put any indicator, look at open interest, nothing. This data I will be giving once you subscribe. Okay. I will be giving this data one day before. For example, today I already generated for Monday, correct? Monday ka we already generated. Our strike price, 1 minute. Monday we already generated. Monday we already generated here, correct? You're able to see the screen? All of you are able to see this Excel sheet?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So Monday ka we have already generated. So we will just follow. If the entry comes, we will trade on this particular strike price and enter. I mean, particular strike price and enter if the price crosses this level. That's it. So this will be very simple. People who are working, who are not able to watch the screen, keep looking at the mobile or laptop, you will keep this stop loss in your watch list. Keep a buy stop loss order for 669. Okay. Put a buy stop loss order, not stop loss, buy stop loss order for 489. The moment it triggers, you put the stop loss. The moment it hits 180 points, how much is 180 points? 669 less 180 or 160 will take it, which is 829. I'll book the first lot. If the call side triggers, first lot I will book. Then wait for 220 or 230 points. I'm telling for people who are new to this system. Once we are confident, no, we can wait for the bigger targets. But initially, I recommend for 1 week, make consistent profit every day. There are days there's no trade. We will not trade. It is okay. But for 1 week, we will follow the system. Okay. System brings results. If there is discipline and there is a system of trading, just follow it. Like for example, what does the system in India say? Drive only on the left, correct? Not on the right. So we will follow here. If we go to USA, you have to drive on the right side. Will you follow the Indian system or the US system? You will follow the US system. You will follow lane discipline, pedestrian crossing. See, here in India, zebra crossing we have to follow. Outside India, everywhere, if you don't follow, they will book. They will put penalties. In fact, if there is a pedestrian trying to cross on the zebra crossing, the vehicle stop even there is no red signal. But here in India, it is different. So what I'm trying to say is just follow the system. This is a system I have generated, and this is easy, simple for people who are working, who doesn't understand data charts, who doesn't want to look into all that. Just follow this for 1 week, 1 month. Slowly your capital will build. For example, I'm building, my capital is 30,000 rupees. Okay. First week I made around 5,000. I can make around easily. See, if I'm hitting first target, I will take first target with hit. Only first target hit. How much is the gain? Around 100 points. 100 into 50, 150, 15 lot or 2 lot is around how much profit? Around 2,500 to 3,000 per day. If I'm making 2,300 for 10 days, I'll make around 20,000. Even if there is a stop loss hit for 1 day, I'll still be on profit because my consistency is important. Daily, I'll make 2,300. After about 10 days, remove your capital out or partially start withdrawing. Okay. So that you are trading on a, see, the moment you gain profit, we become overconfident. We start trading on bigger lots. Start booking. When you book profit, start withdrawing also. So that you are trading with the same capital. You do not trade with the bigger capital what you have in the account. Tendency is that we become psychologically motivated and start trading, right? So this is the system. Once you subscribe, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. All of you have the WhatsApp. Contact me on the WhatsApp on a daily basis. If you want, you can check for 23rd December if this entries are working. You can check for another 15 days. You can connect to me. We have Christmas and then New Year. So 1 or 2 days we don't have trading days. We will not trade. The rest of the days we will follow this system and build in profit. So from my end, I have done this testing for the entire December month, not just for Banknifty. I have done it for mid cap and other indices also. Okay. Nifty, I have, as I mentioned, Nifty I have only tested for. I did not want to take the risk, or rather, I don't want anybody of us to take the risk on expiry days and all that because premium killing happens. So we still can do it, but we can trade the next week expiry, not the present expiries. We can trade the next week expiries. We can still do that, but still, we have Bank Nifty, we have Bank X, we have now Fin Nifty, we have mid cap, we have Sensex. So this, we will generate these data, entries and trade. So I hope the system is clear. Do you have any doubts? What do you feel about this new system I'm trying to work on? Will it be helpful, not helpful, or it's very complicated? What do you feel? Any doubts on this, sir?
No, sir, doubt cleared, sir. It's
Okay.
going to be helpful, sir. It's going to be helpful, yeah.
All right. So any time you can connect to me. I will share this data. We can work, and once you feel that it is giving you consistent profit, you can subscribe for another week or another month, and you can continue. So right now I'm giving it as a trial for about 15 days. I'll be charging somewhere around 1,500 to 2,000. We will discuss that, and then plan accordingly. Is that fine with you, sir?
Yes, sir, sure.
All right. Thank you, sir. Kunalji, you are joining in now. You have any doubts about the system? I was just, completing. I was just explaining to all, or rather, I was completing how to use this system. So this data I have shared on the WhatsApp. Okay, did you check on this particular expiry, or rather these particular expiry dates and this strike prices? Was there an entry? Has it hit the stop loss? Has it hit the target? Any doubts on this you have, Kunalji? I have already explained to the people who joined earlier where the entry is made. The entry is made only if the price crosses 1,186. Here, for example, 2nd December, you are able to see the Excel sheet, right?
Right, right.
So in the Excel sheet, we have 1 minute. So 2nd December, 52,100 call. Our analysis. See, this analysis is done based on the charts, based on the open interest data, based on the previous day data. For example, the previous day data of open, high, low, close, then the strike prices, which strike prices are better to trade. All this analysis is done one day before, or rather around 8 o'clock once we have the data on NSE, because NSE has to upload the open interest data. So previous data, FI का data सब मिला के हम इसको derive करते हैं. So on 2nd December, there was no entry. But almost all other days there was entry. 7th December also there was no entry. Okay. So I have shared this on the WhatsApp. So my recommendation was the first target. For example, Monday I have already derived. Okay. My first target I am saying on Monday, keep it here at 150 points or 160 points. Once the price crosses 669, example, Monday we are if the call triggers of 51,500 call, entry आएगा 669, it crosses, then we will buy 2 lots. Okay, keep stop loss, and then first target around 100 and first lot we will book out around 889, which is the first target. Second lot we will book around 899. So we are gaining around 200 plus points. Okay, we will do this for a week or 15 days. Okay, once our capital grows, we will start withdrawing the profit and trade only with the capital. We do not want to, because okay, today I made 50,000 rupees. Don't go trade the next day with 50,000 plus your previous capital. For example, today example, you made 50,000. Your capital previously was 30,000. So 50 plus 30 is around 80,000 rupees. Don't trade with the 80,000. Trade only with 30,000 only, always. After 3 months, 2 months, then start increasing slowly from 30,000. Start trading with 40,000 or 50,000 rupees. Because you have made some profit, you can take that risk. Okay. So this is how I recommend, and this is the system. You have any doubts on how the system works, or how this data is derived, or how the entry is derived, how to trade it? You have any doubts, Kunalji or Vivek? Because you joined in late, I'm asking this to you.
Well, I have doubts reading the open interest data and all. Actually, I don't understand anything in that.
Okay, what did you understand in this? So I'm saying here, December ka 12th of 23rd December, that is tomorrow. Okay.
Mm.
I have given the strike price. Okay. I have
Right.
given the strike price. I have given the entry above. I have given the stop loss after entry. I have given the target. Now, what is that you are unable to understand in this?
Not in this Excel sheet I'm talking about.
Uh-huh.
In general, I'm telling you that I have like the open interest data and all during the day also. You guys watch, na?
No, I didn't follow you,
So
sir.
that
Sir, I am
no,
not
the
here
NFP,
to right now. See, that's a little different session altogether. Uh, Open interest. See, I'll sir, you are a doctor, you are an engineer. What is your qualification? So I'll explain accordingly. What is your qualification, sir? Like you are a
I'm
businessman.
self-employed.
You are a
Yeah,
businessman.
self-employed.
Okay, sir, I am a non-businessman. Okay.
Okay.
Now, example, how long you took to understand the business, sir? 6 months, 1 month,
Yeah, maybe 3-4 years.
3-4 years, sir. Say market also no. See, to become an engineer or a businessman or a doctor, minimum 1 year, 2 years we require, sir. Minimum, I'm telling you,
True.
because it is very complex. People, they come into the market. Tomorrow I'll put 1 lakh, मैं double बना दूंगा. Then मैं उसको 3 लाख बना दूंगा. It will not work like that. Now, when your question is good, I mean your question is genuine. But now, right now, if I have to explain you open interest also, uh, I will be able to only tell you 1% of it. Okay, 1%.
Okay.
I do take trainings on F&O trading. Okay, and I take 3 months time. For 3 months, I train because I know it takes 3 months for people to understand. Today, I will explain. You will not understand. You will have to go tomorrow, check live market में काम कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा है. Okay,
Correct.
and then you will get some conviction. Then third day, fourth day, fifth day, one day stop loss will get hit. You'll think, अरे ये क्या हो गया? Then you will. Now why are people trying to learn? Because their stop loss are getting hit, their capital is losing. They are trying all strategies, they are failing. Now they are trying different strategies. I think you all agree. I'm sure all of
Right.
you are trading for last 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. Tried different strategies. I'm sure you have tried every strategy on the support, resistance, MACD, O indicator. What is that? You would have tried, I don't know, moving average and so many indicators, technical and fundamental, everything you would have tried. And then one day you'll make profit, 3 days you'll make profit, fifth day entire account gets washed out. I think you all agree with me, correct? Now,
Right. Correct.
so now I am trying to build one system where you don't even look at that open interest. Now you're saying, sir, मुझे open interest समझ नहीं आ रहा. Now this data I have done or derived out of open interest and price action. Okay, I'm putting the, for example, I'm putting ये यहाँ पर मैं ये data डाल रहा हूँ, यहाँ पर open interest का data डाल रहा हूँ, and then I'm coming out with the with the data out. Once I put input, ना, it will give me the output here. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पर बैंक निफ्टी का है, यहाँ पर मुझे एंट्री का डेटा दे रहा है. ठीक है, आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग इट अ सिस्टम ऑफ ट्रेडिंग वेयर वी डोंट हैव टू do any complex things. And this I have done for, not now, I am working on this for last 6 months. Because of weekly expiries, there were too many challenges I observed. Okay, so it will work on non-expiry days. It is working very well. On the day of expiry, premium kill होता है, थोड़ा troubles हो रहा था. Then now there is only monthly expiry. It is working very well. That is why I introduced it, and I thought people can make use of it. Otherwise, this system, in fact, there is another person who's also giving this system online. I'm not the only person who probably is doing it. There is another person also, but थोड़ा उनका भी the entries were too fast. By 9:15 itself, the entry comes. People, I subscribed to him. It didn't work for me. So I went and checked, because is there some system where I don't even look at, I do look at the chart. This data is with the charts. But for you don't have to look at anything here. Okay. And you can just have to follow it. Now, if you are interested to learn open interest price action, then you will have to join a separate class of mine, which we can discuss offline. But right now, I'm
Okay.
explaining how this works, sir. ठीक
All
है?
right. All right. Got it.
And this system,
Got
I think I try to explain in very generous words. Simple word है यहाँ पर. In fact, I have given this entire data of December in the WhatsApp. 2nd of December, there was no entry either on the call side or the put side as per this data. You might have had entries, and then 3rd of December, it from 1137, it went to 1300 high. 4th of December, 1032 say 1297. 7th December, no entry. 14th December, also there was an entry. 15th December, there was an entry. 10th December, there was no entry as per my this data. And 17th, 18th, 19th, in fact, 18th, 19th, I think there was good profit. Our target was just 200 points. It gave more than 300 points. So you can test this. And if you are also keen, you can subscribe. I will share from Monday. Once you subscribe, I'll share it for the entire 15 days. I will be charging some nominal fees, maybe around 1,500 rupees, because there is people will value only if there is price attached to it. If I say free,
Correct.
then yeah, there people will say no, ये system काम नहीं कर रहा है, मैं trade नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. बहुत सारा lot of things will come. I have put
All the
a
excuses are arising.
sorry sir.
या आप
So
जैसा बोल रहे थे सारे फिर एक्सक्यूजेस अराइज हो जाते हैं, आप सही बोल रहे हो.
either way, see, they can give excuse. I'm not going to lose anything. See, I'm going to work on this system because
जी.
I'm also working, of course, I also have other strategies, but I felt this is much more less tension for me, I feel. So I want to work on it. And of course, I do read the charts and all that. So that alag se I will definitely trade. But this is one system which I am offering now. Whoever feels it is work and make some money, but I'm assuring, I mean, I'm pretty confident because I have observed it. I have also done, or now, in fact, now December month, we are almost nearing the expiry. I made some changes on the formulas and I have got the entries and I cross-checked it. I am sure it will work. Okay. Work in the
All
sense,
right.
premium, even if the premium gets here, see, we may not get trades also Monday. Now I have shared this. I can share it to on the WhatsApp maybe later. I'm sure Monday it may not give me entry also, but it is okay. We are not bothered. But rather, we don't trade lose capital, but rather trade on a bigger target because these targets minimum I'm seeing 200 points there are 100, 180 to 200 so aram se there are. So that is my
Right.
observation. Yeah, you can join with me anytime, sir. I'll be happy, if you are profiting, because if you profit, you will continue. If you don't profit, you will not continue. I know. No, I would also wouldn't want to work on a system which is not giving me profit. So I'm here sharing this. So whoever are keen, you can join, and then we will see how it goes, and we'll continue. I'll try and see if I can get better systems. I will try to bring this on the website or something. But yeah, that will take time. It's not going to happen, in a day or two.
Got it.
So Vivek ji, you have any doubts on this, Vivek sir?
No, sir. Thank you.
All right. How long you been trading on the market? I mean, how long you're in the markets?
Around 2 to 3 years.
2 3 years. Okay. Any system you are able to follow and make consistent profit?
I just go through with the trading view Lorenzi indicator.
Oh, okay. You are working on indicators. Okay, but okay. And all right. So of course, the data is derived from charts and open interest ka data. Mostly, this relies most on the charts data, the previous day's data, and then gives us the output. So please do contact me if you feel that it is helpful. We can try. You want to trial for 10. I would say my humble request is try for at least 15 days. Now don't try for 2 days, 3 days. If you say that okay, I want a free trial for 2-3 days, also I'm okay to do that. But try for 15 days and then decide. But I would tell you try with 2 lots or maybe even just 1 lot also. That is also good, so that you make some profit when you're taking a trial. As I will give it for free, and you will also not gain. I will charge you also, and I know you don't get anything. Try with 1 lot. I'm assuring you, you will gain some profit. Slowly you build up, as I mentioned, the capital, and then we can go ahead. Okay. So thank you all for joining. I wish you all a happy weekend. We'll see tomorrow. So do ping me, and we will work out on this, sir.
Sure. Thank you for your time also.
Thank you. Good day, sir. Good day to all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.